Hello guys, today I found these salsa veggies and I got some Luca and mango and some high chews and I'm gonna mix them together, see how they taste. Lucas Gusano. Oh, it's so hard. I'm fine. Oh shoot. It's a lot. Oh, it's nasty. There's an ant right here. Here, take some sugar. Oh, candy. Luca mango is added to the salsa veggie. Great flavor, Haichu. Another one. And another one. I'm gonna squish this one. That's squeeze. I'm gonna squeeze it all up. Add more Luca. I'm adding all of it. What? Oh, is it not? This is how this turned out. Looks good. Let's try it. It's not bad. I'm more of this. It was hard. I think that was like rotten or something. Oh, another more. Look how much it has. That was good. Yeah, now I'm gonna try one of these. So I got these. They're not sour. Choking. I don't have curry. I'm gonna eat one of those. These are good. Back to one of these. That's a lot. Shut up, Dunkar. No, that's a truck. No. Bye, Right near a napkin. Look at how much I added. I added so much. Look at my finger. It's filled with it. Hold on my fingers. Hey, fat ant. Bunny, what you doing? I see Bunny. This is a big one. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. This one is still good. This one's good. I found the last one. The car. The last one. About 6 minutes to eat this. Have a good one, guys. Bye.